Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to identify which version of PCI Express slot used in your graphics card. So that means your motherboard using for your graphics card. So I check that. This is very simple tutorial, and I'm using Dell Precision 7740 with Windows 11 OS. So how to check that? You must install NVIDIA graphics driver for that. Okay, and simply right click on your desktop, then you will receive this menu, then click on show more options. Okay, then you can see option of NVIDIA control panel. Click here, and then you will receive this window. In this window, left to bottom side, you can see option of system information. Okay, click on that, then you will receive this window within seconds. You can see here, so just scroll up, then you can see option of bus. Okay, and here you can see PCI Express 16 Gen 3. So yeah, I'm currently using my graphics card on my PCI Express 16 Gen 3 slot. So some kind of new motherboards are also supporting PCI Express Gen 3 and Gen 4s. So you can easily identify which version is currently using. It is PCI Express 16 Gen 3. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replies as video so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.